Here we have for sale our March 2024 on a 24 plate Ford Transit Custom. This is a 300 model, which means it's got a 3-ton gross vehicle weight. It's got the 2-litre EcoBlue Euro 6 diesel engine producing 136 PS, which is roughly 136 brake horsepower. And this is an L1 short wheelbase limited panel van finished in the fantastic grey matter. And what we're going to do in this video is have a little walk around. I'll show you the spec that you get on a Ford Transit Custom Limited of this age. I'll also talk you through all of the additional styling that has been added to the vehicle by us during our preparation, what we've done to it mechanically during our preparation. We'll have a really close look at the condition of this particular example as well, seeing as the vehicle is currently available for sale with us here at Bridgend Van Centre. So starting here then at the rear of the vehicle, we can see that this one is specced with rear barn doors. The barn doors are 2 doors which open in that sort of fashion like so. On a limited you get a number of elements which come colour coded in the body colour, which, as I say, in this case is the fantastic grey matter. Very, very popular colour. It is since this was introduced some years ago now on Transit, these have sold very, very well. You do see these out on the road, and I think perfect colour for the gloss black styling which we'll see around the vehicle here. But on a limited you get things like the bumpers colour coded, the door handles colour coded, the mirrors colour coded, and I think that really does set it off very nicely. Now in terms of the styling which has been added here, we can see straight away at the back we've got the nice gloss black rear spoiler which has been added. There's also then this full gloss black low line aero kit, and that includes the rear splitter which you can see here, the side skirts which go around the side of the van, and also the front splitter around the front. So all of that has been added by ourselves. In terms of condition here then at the back of the van, unfortunately we just had a little rain shower here, so there are some droplets of water on here, but this is actually quite a good demonstration to show the detailing that goes into these vans. You can see how this water is beading here on the surface, and that is because, as I say, the vehicle has been completely machine polished and detailed, so the paintwork under this is very, very smooth and free from contaminants, all in tip-top condition. At the bottom here then you can see that you've got rear parking sensors nicely integrated into the rear bumper. You've also got a reversing camera on here as well. Now, all of that comes as standard on a limited. Something else which has been added is the nice carbon rear bumper protector, which you can see there as well. If we open up the rear doors then we can start to have a look inside the back of the van. So when you open these doors right out to their full 180-degree position, there's a 2-stage hinge on these, so they will sort of lock into place there at 90 degrees, and then with a good push they will open right the way out to 180 degrees. This is where you can see the condition then inside the back of the van. So this is a brand new ply lining done with ourselves. We do this on the vast majority of panel vans which come into stock with us. Of course, 2 reasons for that. One, it makes it look better, it's more aesthetically pleasing. As you can see there, it looks all nice and neat and clean and tidy. But crucially, ply lining is there to protect the vehicle. So if you've got cargo moving around in here in the back, it's not going to cause a nasty outward dent in the side of your van, which is certainly not what you want. But you can see here the ply liner does a brilliant job. It's all nicely silicone sealed in around the wheel boxes. You've also then got this full rear door coverage on the back. Really does set it off very well. Of course, the Limited comes with this nice hard-wearing plastic flooring, which is nice and easy to keep clean. You can sweep that out. There's also tie-down points dotted around inside the back of the van in all these nice various places, and this is the correct position there of the toolkit. A Limited does come with these nice LED load lights, and there's also 2 extra load lights there which are controllable on this switch on the side as well. And this also gives us a really good look at the bulkhead, and you can see the condition of that. That's all very clean and straight and tidy, and you've also got the load through hatch there as well to load longer items through underneath the passenger seats. But yeah, stunning condition in the back of here. Just paying close attention to all the exposed painted areas, and just see how clean and tidy this is. Now, we do have record of service history with this vehicle, so we have record that it was serviced at 22,000 miles. It's only on 23,000 now, but it was serviced at 22,000 miles in January of 2026. Regardless of that, we've still put the van right through our own van specialist workshop, which is Bridgend Van Care, and they have gone through it, full vehicle health check, and I believe they replaced the air filters. I will double check that. I'll put that in the advert if that is the case, but basically we like to see that it's been thoroughly serviced. So if it was just an oil and filter, that would have been the reason that we'd have done the air filter as well, but I will double check that. If that is the case, I'll pop that down in the in the full advert, but as I say, we've been right through it, given it a full multi-point health check, so it is absolutely ready to drive away straight away. Having a look at down the driver's side of the vehicle here, there's a couple of tiny little pin dents which I can see. There's one or two just here, not very noticeable, and we will have our paint and stent removal specialist have a look at those, but just one or two little pin dents just there. But generally speaking, you can see here, disregarding the little raindrops, it's in fantastic condition here down the driver's side of the vehicle. Opening up the driver's door then, we can have a look inside here. So having a look at the plastics, the step, the floor, all in very tidy order in here. Having a look at the driver's seat, no issues there, no rips, tears, cigarette burns, anything like that. Doesn't smell like it's been a pet sort of vehicle, and I say certainly not a smoker's vehicle or anything like that. You've got the driver's armrest, you can set that to your desired height just there, that's on a ratchet. You've got auto-activated lights, auto-activated wipers, electric windows, electric folding mirrors, that's how those operate there, just by pushing on the button just there to fold those in and out. The vehicle is supplied with 2 full keys. Now these are of course keyless, so you have the start stop button just up here, so the vehicle with the keys in your pocket, jump in and you can start it there. It feels very modern inside when you've got that sort of facility that you can just have those keys in your pocket. Lovely, again, modern steering wheel on these. It's sort of a rounded off square steering wheel. You've got your adaptive cruise control on the left hand side, onboard computer controls on the right hand side. You've got this full digital dashboard here in front of you as well then, so you can see the mileage there. As I mentioned, 23,164 miles. No warning lights or anything like that on the dashboard. It's all idling correctly as it should do. And then one of the big selling points for these vans, this fantastic over 11-inch display in the center here. You've got all of your controls along the bottom with things like your heated seats, heated windscreen, heated door mirrors, air conditioning, all of that along the bottom. And then crucially on this big screen in the center here, you've got wireless Apple CarPlay and wireless Android Auto on this screen, which is very, very nice indeed. If I put the vehicle into reverse, that is where you get this really nice clear rear parking camera on there as well. A couple of USBs under here, little 12-volt socket, and the all-important hidden cup holder just there as well. Now, if we continue around the outside of the vehicle, I'll show you the rest of what's going on around here. So you've got the Caliber 20-inch alloy wheels. These are in gloss black. These are all brand new, of course, with brand new load rated tires, looking very, very smart indeed. Around to the front then, you've got the Ford LED headlights, much better performing headlight than the previous model, with that lovely LED daytime running light just there. And you've also then got the black honeycomb grille, which is all part of our styling kit, and the gloss black canards there, and also the gloss black front splitter as well. In terms of condition here at the front, you're going to get a couple of little stone chips here or there, which have just been neatly touched in the correct colour, but generally speaking, all in very good condition there at the front. There's nothing really notable which I can point out here. And then finally then, just looking here down the passenger side of the vehicle, again looking very clean and tidy, no issues there. There's also a nice set of roof bars which have been added, again all part of our styling kit. And if I open up the passenger door here, then we can have a look there at the load space from this angle. That's all looking very nice. Same if we open up the passenger door, again just having a look at the seats from here. Floor underneath, no issues there at all. Step, yes, and very nice clean example. Previous service history, 2 keys in grey matter, arguably the best colour, full styling kit on it. Very smart indeed. Of course, being registered in March 2024, you've got manufacturer's warranty on this until March 2027 as well, so you've got that peace of mind to go along with the vehicle. Of course, we can arrange finance at very competitive rates, whether that be for limited companies or for private individuals, so by all means get in contact if you have any funding inquiries. We can by all means help with some quotes for that. Of course, it's all subject to acceptance and status. We can also take cars or vans in part exchange, so by all means again get in contact for a quote on that. And we can deliver our vehicles nationwide as well, so if you're not local to us here in sunny South Wales, we can deliver this vehicle to your front door. If you'd like to see the full advert, you can head over to our website there, bridgendvans.co.uk. That's where you'll find the price, the description and the photography of this van, and of course all of the others that we've currently got advertised. Thank you very much for watching.